Hello guys, I'm back from another Minecraft video, and today I got some new headphones. I know I've got some headphones. Let's just place these on. Let's turn the sound up. So okay, let's get started. So if you remember from last time, so this was seed number 4, and it was 1754 to get this, the mushroom seed. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you guys that I've got an ultimate gaming setup, and look, all the items disappeared. And yeah, so let's go on to the next seed. Yes, I know I don't have much seed left, but I've got minuses. Yeah, that's how much 15 is. See, look, if you go up, mine. Wait, what? Oh yeah, see. So those are the ones I've done. 4, 5. I haven't done 6, have I? So let's do number 6. We haven't done 10. Oh. Okay, let's do number 10. We're not going to do them in order, don't worry. It's just like 10's not the best and number 1's not best. So this is the ice biome seed. If you go over here, I think it was, and you should find a village somewhere. And then you should find a there, right there. Am I going so slow? And it should be that's weird. I can't go super fast in the village, so fine. Is that it? Even if it isn't, made one. Yeah, that's it. That's not. That's not. Just go over here. Look, I'm going super fast. I'll just go super slow. What? So in this place, I'm actually going to leave it up to you guys. What about it? About what I should do. So I'm going to leave it up to you to find it, because I can't seem to find it. There should be one in like this zone, okay? So, and this seed is 14104033532. And yes, you're allowed to pause the video, because this is number 10. And let me save and quit. Yes, I do have a lot of stuff. So we look like recording. So these are all the ones I've already done. I've not done. Okay, wait. So number 8, I think you've seen. No, you haven't. You definitely haven't, because all the ones down here are like the ones you haven't seen yet. Sorry about that. It's just my PC's running low. And yeah, technically 2 villages. So one right there you spawn in, then like just like 2 blocks over. Wait. So you spawn about here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32 blocks from spawn. If you did it my way. So you would come from there, spawn point is right there, and that's 32 blocks. So let's check out them. So let's go to this one. I swear, if there's no... Well, that's pretty decent. 5 pieces of obsidian, 2 iron, 3 pieces of bread, 1 leggings, 6 and 6 saplings, and 3 apples. That's actually some decent stuff. I have to admit, that's some decent stuff. So let's just go over here. Warning, my PC might die. So that's on me because I'm not charging my PC. Let's see if there's a chest. Yep. That's pretty decent. Nearly full. So that's not that decent, but at least it's quite decent. I have to admit. So that seed is minus, or do you remember the minus, 200889213. So that is the seed for that. You can pause it because it's a video on YouTube. You can do whatever you like with it. You comment. I don't care. So number. Have we done number 6? Wow. The JJ channel. Yeah. So. Oh yeah, this is cool. So right, you have a ravine right here. They're my favourite, just letting you know. But if you go off to this village, they're literally living on... Look, if you just go over here, look at that. Look at it. They're literally... Look, if I go down, they're literally living on it. It's just so cool. Look at that. This shouldn't happen. Oh, sorry guys. Hi. So, yeah. So I finally got back to working. Took some time, took like an hour. So let's get back. So this seed, this is really cool. Minus 1,000. Yeah, it's that simple. Just minus 1,000. I copied all of these from other YouTubers, so if you don't know them, you can look at me. Although you probably won't, if you're watching me. So I'll just tell you the seed. Minus 396676922. Bam! So, yep. You know what this is? A floating island? That is floating. Look, but if you go over here, isn't yeah, an oak forest. If I go back over here, fly all the way over here. Yeah, no. Over here, no. Like over here. This is an oak. Well, not an oak. But wait, what colour is this? Oh no, it's not over here. What? Wait, what colour is this? Yeah, it is over here though. Flip. There should be a woodland mansion somewhere. Okay, I'm just telling you it. Should be a woodland mansion somewhere. Yeah, they're Pokeball ones. So yeah, again, I'm going to leave the finding of up to you. If you haven't seen my last video, go and check it out because I found a woodland mansion there. Oh, look at this overhang. And this float. Magic. It's floating. See, it's floating. And other little floating islands too. Look, it's floating. Floating. Can you not see it's floating? Look, I can fall right through it. That means it's floating. It's not touching. See? Yeah, definitely floating. And so this seed is minus 396676922. And yes, you can copy these off your world. It does not matter what type you have. You can get these. But we're going to go with... Wait, what seed is this? What seed is crazy number 1? So 1400 06069825. Give me some ideas. So, if you... Yeah, a massive floating island. That is a massive floating island. Yes, a massive floating island with its own trees. It's literally floating. Look, look, it's literally floating. And no, I did not break that. I haven't been in this world. I forgot about this world. But it's literally a massive floating island with its own resources. Like, I'm gonna go mining. See if there's any, like, I know there's coal, but does it have, like, other features?